Welcome everyone, I am one of the two bald bros you're going to typically see on this channel, Reaper of Hugs. Today I'll be showing you all how to create YouTube Shorts and TikTok in the proper format. It is a little different from your usual content, so give me about 5 minutes of your time and we'll get right into this. I personally like to use a program called DaVinci Resolve 16. It's really easy, it's free to use. All you're going to do is go to an untitled clip right here, click on File, scroll down to Project Settings, and I have mine preset. Your master settings, this is what they should look like. I have mine preset, so I go to preset, click on TikTok, and load it. What this is going to do is it's going to turn your ratio to 1080 by 1920 frames, 60 frames per second, and make sure that it's all going to the proper area, such as your working folders and everything else. After that, we're just going to go ahead and click on this tab down here called Edit tab. Go ahead and open your folder and click whatever file you would like to. Drag the file onto here. And after that file is dragged, all you're going to do for a lot of TikTok content is use layers. Same with YouTube Shorts. So I'm going to click the clip, Control C, Control V to paste it, Control V to paste it again, and I'm going to drag this up and over. I'm going to create a layer system. Now what I like to do is I click this little button right here for link section, and I go ahead and delete those two extra sound bits down there. Next, you're going to click on the very bottom picture, and you're going to go over to Open Effects. You click on Gaussian Blur, scroll and drag it over to here. We are going to enlarge this all the way to 3.5. Now I will actually move these real fast so you can see exactly the difference in what's happening right now. So this is just enlarging the entire image. It'll make sense in a second. And then once we drag the next one on top of it, it looks normal because this is obviously the top layer. That is what your audience is going to see. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to zoom this in to wherever you want it to be. It can be anything. I prefer to go to about a 2 when I stream PUBG. If I'm doing Warzone, I like a 2.5. Now you're going to take your Y or X axis. It doesn't even really matter. And you're going to go up or down to wherever you want. Now what this does is it creates that layer system right there. We're actually going to go back to that first clip. We're going to go up to Open Effects up here. And we're going to turn it to a 6. All that does is enhances. You can probably see it right under that clip. It enhances how optimized the clip is and how much of a blur you see. So I put it at about a 6. And next we're going to drag this one back on top. We're going to go down here to Fusion. I like to use this ellipse right here. You can use the rectangle if you feel like. Click it. Click this middle wheel, drag it on over to your face if you're a streamer. If not, go ahead and skip this step. I'm going to take it to a 0.11 because that's what works for me. Use what works for you. Click this, take it to a 0.11 as well. And it looks pretty small here. So if we go back to this, now you can see my head is small and it's taken pretty much everything else out besides it. I'm going to crop the head. Go back to transform here after you click on crop. We're going to go over to zoom, enlarge to about a 3, or really again wherever you feel like for your content. Take the X axis and go ahead and move it over. At this point you can click it and move it where you like. I just like clicking on the position. Click on the Y position, raise it up right about there, and now you've got your whole clip. It's as easy as that. It takes 5 minutes of your time, so let's start it from beginning to end now. And it's as easy as that. Here is the original clip for you all to see as well. This is what it looked like before all the editing. The editing, like I said, it's really easy once you get the hang of it. All it is kind of setting up a tier system, a little bit of a layer like an onion. And that's about it. We'll go and delete that. The next thing you're going to want to do when you're all said and done here, you feel good about the clip, it's great. Press Control S to save the clip if you want to save the clip. I've already used this. I've got it in the proper format. We're good to go here. I can show you guys how to do other things like speeding up the clip, slowing it down, things like that here in the future. We're going to go down to this deliver button right here. Name the file whatever you would like. Open up the browse location where you want to drop it. Go on down to format. Turn it into an MP4. That's really important. Then you'll have your resolution, everything else set up. Add it to render queue and start the render. And after you do that, you've got your whole video, guys. It's easy as that. That's the best way to make a YouTube short or a TikTok clip. Again, go ahead and mess with DaVinci Resolve or whatever you want. I will drop the link for this program down below in the comments, but I hope this helps you guys make the crispiest content possible and enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in future content.